Today we're getting a new peace of mind knowing our backs are covered with our new Smart Carbon Monoxide Detector from Xsense. According to the EPA, the CPSC recommends a carbon monoxide alarm in every home. In fact, most people recommend that you should have one on the floor of each bedroom, with an additional detector in the area of any major gas-burning appliances, like a furnace or a water heater. Better safe than sorry, right? Inside the box, you have a manual and a warranty. A guide for drill hole spacing so you can mount it right the first time, and of course, your carbon monoxide detector. The carbon monoxide detector has feet on the bottom so that it can freestand, as well as mounting holes on the back that line up with the guide from earlier perfectly. The alarm comes with a battery pre-installed. To get started, take the plastic insert out of the battery compartment. And like that, it's alive and kicking. Now on to the cool features. Scan the code in the manual and download the app. It easily walks you through setting up your device. You can give it a name, assign a room, and pair your device to your phone. You'll get notifications if there's ever a rise in levels, and you can easily log into the app and check your device. If you have multiple, you can monitor each room and even categorize by home. But what causes carbon monoxide buildup in the home? The most common causes of carbon monoxide buildup are incorrectly installed or poorly maintained or ventilated appliances, like stoves and hot water heaters. Poorly ventilated fireplaces and other gas or wood-burning appliances can also pose danger. Motor vehicles, lawn equipment, generators, and even some power tools can cause carbon monoxide buildup. I personally got this for our barn. We do a lot of work out there and you never know. Overall, this is a cool little device. I've never had a smart detector of any kind, and it's nice to know I'll get notifications if I'm away from home. We have animals, and I want to make sure they're safe. And if that's not enough, they have a Protect Plus plan that gives you 24/7 fire dispatch when you need it. So if you'd like some peace of mind for you or your family, then this smart carbon monoxide detector from Xsense might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go work safely in the barn without worry. See ya!